What's going on? All right, so week 2. Today is Friday. Today Friday, 10/17. Happy birthday to my nephew. Today is my nephew's birthday, 10/17. First thing first, I just want to say we just wrapped up another successful trading week, which played out perfect. I'm not gonna lie though, I did go a little bit on tilt. I was aggressively trading a little bit, so I did withdraw from my account Thursday, only because I didn't plan on trading Friday. Oh man, there you go. Hold on. Get deposit. There you go. As you see, deposited. I did. So I withdrew 525. I took 2 losses, 2 wins, another loss, small win, withdrew $100, small win, small loss. So overall, I did. So what happened was I withdrew the account. I cleared the account, and then I ended up putting the money back on the account. So it's not like I had to deposit again and all of that. I didn't have to do that. I just withdrew all the money out the account, and then I felt like I seen a trading setup, which I didn't. Took an L, but it is what it is. As you see, deposit is 605, but my withdrawal is 2553. My profits is 2020. So all in all, 2K profit, 2 weeks, almost $1,000 a week. Last week I was at $1,000, so this week I made $1,000. Pretty decent. Now my plans is I actually been contemplating if I'm going to slow down on the challenge, take a step back from the challenge, and just focus on the prop firm account, or focus on the challenge and hold off on the prop firm. So I'm really contemplating, just trying to make sure I make the best move. But overall, trading gold specifically, it's been bread and butter, man. Gold been presenting the perfect opportunities for traders. I've been seeing a lot of traders make a shit ton of money, and only having a small account. So gold is the way, man. I'm sticking to gold. Gold pays. Man, just what it is. But yeah, we out.